Are you looking for an easy way to respond to someone's note on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you how to do just that. I'll walk you through the process step by step, from finding the notes feature in Instagram to writing your response. After watching this straightforward video, you can be sure that your reply will be seen by the person who posted the note. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the messages icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, one of my friends has posted a note. So in order to reply to it, simply tap on the note. And now you can send a little message to that person. So go ahead and enter your message, and then simply send it. And now you have successfully replied to their Instagram note. And now you can even start a conversation with that person if you want to. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.